Hi everyone, Mr. May here. As most of you know and have probably received a phone call from Dr. Jones, we are not going back in person this week, so we are going to maintain the classes that we have or that we have had since the beginning of the school year. So if you've had me for social studies, you're going to keep having me for social studies for the foreseeable future. What I want to go over real quick with you guys is what the asynchronous work is going to be for this week. I'm pulling it straight from what's in the Florida Virtual School. You're going to click on Egypt Week 2. This is going to allow you guys for submissions. All right. And up here it says, please follow the directions as indicated in the lesson. Now, many of you are going to be wondering, where is this lesson at? I'm going to show you real quick so that everyone knows, and it's easily available to everyone in our classes. So if we go into our Week 10 folder, I'm going to rename that. And actually, I'm going to rename it right now for everybody so that we will see it for what it is. And we're going to rename it and call it Egypt Week 1. So everyone sees that, okay? So when you go under Egypt Week 1, you will see Ancient Egypt River Civilizations. Now, this is our textbook, as we all know. If you go to the end of textbook on page 12, there is a list of assignment. There is a lesson summary and assessment. This is your assignment. We're going to be taking it straight from here. You can create this however you want, all right? But as it states here, as you've learned, the ancient Egyptians contributed considerably to the ancient river civilizations. You must consider all of these contributions. Then you must decide on the 5 most important achievements or contributions to include in a museum. So the assignment. You have just been hired to complete your internship at the local historical museum. The museum is creating an exhibit on ancient river civilizations. You're in charge of the Egyptian section of the exhibit. You must decide on the 5 most important ancient Egyptian contributions to include in the museum. What you guys should do is to plan for this. Think of a way to show those achievements in a museum setting. For example, you might want to show a scale model of a pyramid to represent ancient Egypt improvements in mathematics. Remember, a museum exhibit can include models, artifacts, and photographs in addition to text. Now, for this, what I'm going to ask for you guys is for you to do this. You need to have at least a picture, hand-drawn, or something from the internet, but please give credit to whoever you found it to on the internet. That's what I'm going to be talking to you guys about during office hours when you come to meet with me, okay? You can make a slideshow. You can make a poster board. You can also make anything else. You can also write it as a paper if you prefer to write a long paper. If you're writing a paper form, it needs to be 5 paragraphs, okay? Anything with a poster board, all your writing must have a paragraph as well. I'm expecting a paragraph on all 5 topics that you include. All right. This is going to be a very, very in-depth assignment for you. Okay. Many of you will have questions. I have office hours. Email me. I am willing to help you. The instructions are very specific. They are right here on the Florida Virtual School page. All right. You go to the textbook. It is the very last page of the textbook. This is going to account for your test for this unit. So instead of a test, we're doing this project. I look forward to seeing what many of you come up with. And if you have any questions, concerns, you just email me, message me on Schoology, come to office hours. I'm here to help you guys, okay? I will see you all either on Tuesday or Wednesday. And you should begin to work on this during asynchronous tomorrow. So I hope you all have a great day, a great week, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next couple days. All right, have a good one. Bye.